In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at Surgix Jamaica. It does prosthetics, joint replacement, accident and trauma implants. Surgix Jamaica is at the forefront of innovation, boldly departing from bulky designed prosthetics and ushering in a new era of lightweight mobility across Jamaica. Wingfield Boband is the CEO and founder. He started the company after witnessing prosthetics disparities in Jamaica.
The loss of a limb is not the loss of life. The loss of a limb is just a temporary challenge that we can fix with a prosthetic device. So we go through that entire process of and evaluating patients and giving them some counseling, and then we do that physiotherapy, teach them how to walk and use the limb, but teach them how to get back to normalcy.
But like any pioneering endeavor, Surgix Jamaica has faced its fair share of challenges.
Because everything is imported, we are subject, if you will, to some of the exchange rates and the importations and those processes.
He further explained that one of the company's locations lacked the necessary accommodations for persons with disabilities, so he had to make adjustments before opening for business. However, Surgix, which now has over 7 locations across the island, has a short-term goal to open 3 more locations in the near future.
The purpose now, or our goal here, if you will, is to be within a 10-mile proximity of any major hospital or city, so that people can have easy access to. This is all about accessibility. So we're trying every single day to become more and more accessible so people can access the services.
The company has forged a groundbreaking collaboration with the Health Ministry to provide prosthetics for Jamaicans as part of the New Limb, New Life initiative. Senior technician Alistair Clark plays a pivotal role in crafting these life-changing prosthetics.
This procedure can take up to a week, right? So what we do is to carve out the mold, bring in the patient for an actual test. If there is any adjustment to be made, we make the adjustment to the leg, and on the final day, this is what we will present the patient with.
Clark added that the prosthetic legs blend seamlessly with the natural limb, enabling patients to move freely and lead a normal life. So with this game-changing prosthetic design, Surgix achieves over 30% annual growth, serving patients in the UK and other Caribbean countries while having its eyes on international export and expansion. In the meantime, Dr. Boband says with over 50 Jamaicans living without limbs, Surgix Jamaica aims to make prosthetics cost-effective while also bridging the gap in other areas.